Welcome to this guided meditation on healing past rejections. In this session, we will focus on releasing the emotional weight of rejection, allowing you to heal and reconnect with your self-worth. Rejections, whether from relationships, work, or life experiences, can leave deep emotional wounds. This meditation will help you let go of that pain, replacing it with feelings of love, acceptance, and peace. By focusing on the mind-body connection, or embodiment, this practice will allow healing to move from a conscious effort to a subconscious transformation. We recommend practicing this meditation daily for at least 30 days to fully experience the healing process and embody your self-worth. We will begin by relaxing the body. In order to enter a state of subconsciousness, the body must be fully relaxed before the mind can engage. Let's get started. Begin by finding a quiet, comfortable place to sit or lie down. Ensure you're in a space where you can remain undisturbed for the duration of the meditation. Close your eyes and take a few deep breaths, inhaling deeply through the nose and exhaling fully through the mouth. Inhale deeply through the nose and exhale fully through the mouth. One more. Inhale deeply. Exhale fully. This is bringing awareness to your breath. We do this as we begin each meditation to ground ourselves in the present moment. Inhale one more time and feel the rise of your chest as you breathe in, and the fall of your chest as you breathe out. As you breathe in deeply and then exhale, let go of any tension in your body. Breathe in, exhale, letting go of the tension. Notice the way your body softens with each exhale. Now, relax your breath. Just take a moment to breathe naturally, gently allowing yourself to settle into the moment. Be aware of your breath right now. Is it relaxed? If not, just slow your breath down and breathe naturally. Now let's move our attention slowly through the body, relaxing each part as we go. Begin by bringing awareness to your feet. Feel them against the ground or the surface that you're resting on. Let any tension release from your toes, your arches, and your heels. Now move your awareness up into your legs, feeling them grow heavy and relaxed. Soften your knees and release any tension in your thighs and hips. Allow your pelvis to relax and settle comfortably into the surface beneath you. Bring your attention to your abdomen. With each breath, Feel your belly rise and fall. Continue to breathe relaxed. Feel your belly rise and fall. Soften the muscles around your stomach, allowing any tightness to melt away. Now move your awareness to your chest. Release any tension in your heart space. Imagine a wave of calm spreading through your chest, relaxing your shoulders, down through your arms, all the way to your fingertips. Finally, bring your awareness to your neck and head. Let your jaw unclench, your tongue relax, and your forehead soften. Relax all the muscles in your face. Your entire body is now at ease, grounded and connected to this present moment. Fully relaxed, creating the perfect space for healing and release. With your body relaxed, we now shift your awareness inward. Gently bring to mind a time when you felt rejected. This could be a rejection from a relationship, a job, or an experience where you felt unworthy or unloved. Allow the memory to arise, but observe it without judgment. Simply acknowledge that this experience caused you pain. Notice where in your body you may be holding on to the emotional weight of this rejection. Perhaps it's in your chest, your stomach, or your shoulders. As you bring awareness to these areas, allow yourself to sit with the feeling for a moment, understanding that it's okay to feel the hurt. This is part of the healing process. You might notice thoughts coming up around this rejection. Thoughts like, I wasn't good enough, or I wasn't worthy of love. Acknowledge these thoughts, but don't engage with them. Simply notice them, and then let them pass by like clouds in the sky. Now that we've acknowledged the pain, it's time to release it. Visualize a warm, healing light in the center of your chest. This light represents compassion, love, and healing energy. Take a deep breath. Inhale. With each inhale, feel this light expanding in your chest, growing brighter and stronger. As you exhale, imagine the pain and heaviness of the rejection being drawn out of your body, released with every breath. With each breath, this light of compassion grows larger, filling your entire chest, then moving through your arms, legs, head, and toes. You are surrounded by this light, completely embraced by its warmth and healing energy. Just sit with that for a moment. Feel the warmth and the healing energy. Now, with each inhale, you draw in more love and acceptance. And with each exhale, you let go of pain, hurt, and the burden of rejection. Now visualize the person or situation that caused the rejection. Imagine this healing light surrounding them as well. This doesn't mean condoning their actions or forgetting the pain, but rather releasing the emotional weight that keeps you tied to that rejection. Allow the light to surround them, freeing you from the hurt. As you do this, silently repeat the following affirmations. I release the pain of past rejections. I am worthy of love and acceptance. I forgive myself for any judgments I have placed on myself. I am free from the burden of rejection. Let's repeat these again. I release the pain of past rejections. I am worthy of love and acceptance. I forgive myself for any judgments I have placed on myself. I am free from the burden of rejection. Feel the power of these affirmations sinking deeply into your being. With every breath, you are healing and releasing more of the emotional weight of rejection. Now that we've released the pain, let's fill that space with love, self-worth, and acceptance. Visualize the warm light in your chest growing even brighter, filling you with feelings of self-love and worthiness. The light reminds you that your worth is not determined by others' opinions or actions. As you breathe in, feel your self-worth growing stronger. As you breathe out, let go of any remaining doubts or negative beliefs about yourself. Repeat these affirmations to yourself. I am whole just as I am. I am deserving of love and acceptance. My worth is not defined by others. I am enough. Let these words settle into your heart, allowing them to take root deep within you. Repeat them again. I am whole just as I am. I am deserving of love and acceptance. My worth is not defined by others. I am enough. Feel yourself becoming lighter, more at peace, and fully connected to your inner worth. Stay with this feeling of love and acceptance for a few more moments, allowing it to sink in deep and become a part of you. As we come to the end of this meditation, take a moment to thank yourself for the healing and release you've experienced today. You have taken an important step toward freeing yourself from the pain of past rejections and embracing your self-worth. Slowly begin to bring your awareness back to your breath. Feel the rise and fall of your chest. Notice the weight of your body resting on the surface beneath you. Gently wiggle your fingers and toes, bringing small movements back into your body. Take one final deep breath in, filling yourself with love. And as you exhale, let go of any remaining tension. When you're ready, slowly open your eyes and return to the present moment. Carry with you the feeling of healing, self-worth, and peace as you move through your day. You are whole. You are worthy. You are free from the past. Thanks for joining us today. You can subscribe to this channel for more guided meditation videos. Thank you for watching. We'll see you tomorrow.